Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start enhancing security with Norton step by step clearly. To start enhancing your security with Norton, first, visit the official Norton website. Look for the products section on the home page. Select the option that best suits your needs, such as Norton Antivirus, Norton 360, or Norton Internet Security. Click the Buy Now or Free Trial button, depending on your choice. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Provide your payment information if you're purchasing a subscription. Confirm your order and wait for the confirmation email from Norton. Download the Norton setup file from the link provided in the confirmation email. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Norton on your device. Select your preferred language and agree to the license agreement. Choose the installation type, either typical or custom, according to your preference. Once installation is complete, open Norton by clicking the icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Sign in with the account credentials you created earlier. Configure your security settings according to your preferred level of protection. Run an initial scan to ensure your device is free from threats. Explore the features Norton offers, such as a password manager and VPN. Regularly check the Norton dashboard for updates and notifications. Keep the application updated to ensure maximum protection against emerging threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.